Uh, Check if the matrices are invertible matrices. So matrix A and matrix B are given. Invertible matrices means A will be inverse of B and B will be inverse of A. If that is correct, that time we will call these two matrices A and B as invertible matrices. To check whether they are invertible matrices, first we need to find AB. Okay. AB means A into B, matrix A into matrix B. I mean matrix multiplication. First write A, this one. So 2, 3, 1, 2. Next to matrix B, this one. So 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Now this is matrix multiplication. Consider first row, first column. Before that, put this square bracket. First row, first column. In the first matrix, first row. In the second matrix, first column you have to consider. Now this is first element, first element. 2 into 2, 4. Next plus second element, second element. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Okay. Now consider this second column. First element. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Plus second element, 3 into 2, 6. Next. Now this row is considered with column 1, column 2. Now this first row is done in the first matrix. Now second row. This second row, consider first column, first element, 1 into 2, 2. Plus this is second element, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next consider the second column. This is first element, So 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Plus this is second element, 2 into 2, 4. Next square bracket. Now we have to simplify. 4 write 4 plus into this minus 3 will be as it is. Okay. Next 6 plus minus 6 plus 6 it will become 0. Next this 2 as it is, plus into minus this 2 will be as it is. Next minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 1. Simplification again. 4 minus 3 1, this 0. 2 minus 2 0, this 1. See, this is these two are zeros and diagonal elements are 1 1. So this is identity matrix, we call it as I. Okay. So we found AB. Next we will see BA. Now we need to find BA. So matrix B. Matrix B is this. Okay. 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. Next matrix A. This one matrix A. 2 3 1 2. 2 3 1 2. Yeah, we have to multiply. So first in the first matrix, first row. Similarly, how you multiplied in the case of AB, same thing we have to proceed here. So consider first row in the first matrix, then first column. Put the square bracket. First element 2 into 2 4. Second element minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Next. Now consider this second column. First element 2 into 3 6. Second element. Before that you put plus here, then minus 3 into 2 minus 6, like that. Even here also 4 plus then minus 3. Now this first row is done. First row is done. Now second row. This is a second row. First column you have to consider. This I'll just remove. Okay. Second row first column. This first element minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus you put second element 2 into 1 2. Next, this is first column is done. Next consider this second column. So first element minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus second element 2 into 2 4. Okay, we have to proceed. This 4 plus into minus this 3. Next, this 6 plus into minus this 6. Next, 2 plus minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 3 1. Similarly 4 minus 3 1. 6 minus 6 0. This 1. See, this 0 and diagonal elements are ones. So this is identity matrix I. So previously you have seen this AB is equal to I. AB is equal to I. Okay, and here we can see BA is equal to I. So this is equal to BA. So now this is very important. Remember this condition. When AB is equal to I, that is equal to BA, then A and B are invertible matrices. Invertible. So because of this condition, since AB is equal to I and that is equal to BA, so A and B are invertible matrices. Okay. The question is, check if the matrices are invertible matrices. Yes, A and B are invertible matrices. Thank you. Click on subscribe.